Hey guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a great day. Let's take something simple and make it something really sweet and cute. Keep watching. So I am in the process of making these little corrugated stars, and I thought I would show you guys my process for making them, and then I'll give you a quick idea of how you can actually use them. I like to use them to dress up gift bags, note tags. I even put them on notebooks. I use them a lot. So I'm making up a whole bunch, and I wanted to share the process with you guys. Very quick, very easy. So this is going to be a crimper project. So what I did was I cut out a whole bunch of stars using my Cricut, but if you have a star punch or a star die, you can do the same thing. So all I'm doing is putting my star inside, and I'm going back and forth to get me some really good impressions. And you can see how quickly my lightweight chipboard, and I am using lightweight chipboard, became a corrugated star. So I'll do another one. I'm just putting it in and I'm going over it so that I can get a really nice impression on this. And just like that, I have a star that I can use on a project. So then what I want to do with my star is I am just going to go around the edges with some red paint. You don't have to be too neat because a lot of it is going to be covered. And I just want to hit that with some color just to take away the dullness of the edge. And then if you want, you can come back and go on the inside with like gold or a darker color, but I'm not going to because I want mine to look like this for my project. So I already have one that I have done, and it's dry, and it's a little bit larger than these, so I make them in different sizes. So here's one of the things that I do with these, and I'm going to show you guys an idea, and this is just how I would use it. You guys can certainly come up with different ways on your own of how you would use it, but this is a very cute way to make a really sweet and fun gift tag. So I've got it laid out just like this. And now I'm going to come back with some glue and just put a little bit of glue right there. Oops. Didn't quite get my glue gun back in the holster. And I'll put my star just like that. And then I'll come back with my little flower. And this is from the Frank Garcia collection. And I am going to place my flower just offset just a little bit. Then I'll come back with this 25th, which is also from the Frank Garcia Christmas collection, Christmas in the Country. And I am going to just tuck that just a little bit. And then I have a couple of my little picks that I want to tuck down inside while my glue is still wet. And that's just going to give me a little bit of extra cuteness and just an additional layer. So you see, it's that quick just to take your little project and turn it into something absolutely gorgeous, absolutely next level. So we're going to do another one, and this time I am going to bring in some of my journaling cards from the collection, the Christmas in the Country collection. And I'm just going to go around the edges just to kind of redden this up just a little bit because I love this bright red Christmas paint. And then I'm going to take it and just sort of offset it just like that. So I'm going to take a little bit of glue, put my glue on the back here, and then I'm going to put this down at a slight angle. So I'm going to have my tag is actually going to look like this. Then what I want to do is I want to come back with one of my stars, and I'm going to place it down right there. Put some glue. Okay, so then I have these cute little wreaths that I bought last year. And what I'm going to do is I have a little piece of greenery that I've cut off. And I am just going to take my greenery and just place it right there. And then I'm going to take this sweet little wreath and just run some glue along the back. And I am going to take this and position it just like this on the tag. And you can see just how gorgeous this is shaping up to be. So then I'll come back in and I am going to tuck in just a couple of my picks because they just add a little cuteness and a little interest. And just like that, you've got this really cute, sweet little tag. So then I would punch a hole in the top, just like this. And I would take my cording and just run it through. And this is going to be so pretty. Just like this. And just like that, you've got a sweet, fun little tag. And I'm going to go ahead and do these while I'm at it. Might as well. And then let's do our last one. And I'll come back with my cording, run it through my hole, and then pull it through just like this. And now as you can see, I have got some gorgeous, gorgeous Christmas gift tags. And these are so easy to make. These stars are just so easy to crimp. And basically all you're doing is lightweight chipboard, taking it through your crimper, and you have these wonderful little decorations that you can start working with. So I hope that you guys have liked this project because I love making different types of tags. I love making embellishments, and I think these stars are perfect for the foundation of embellishing because you can see how they look underneath each one of these, and they're just so stinking cute. So I hope that you guys have liked this project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join the online crafting family. You guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.